So good morning dear smarts. Now I am going to explain be forms uses with future tense. Be forms uses with future tense. Already we have discussed some be forms in present tense, past tense. Now I am going to explain future tense. How we use be forms in future. As usual, in all structures, in all communication, the subjects are only the 7. Those are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These 7 are the subjects. In all the people in the world belongs to these 7 subjects. If we take any person, I, we, you, they, he means all men names, all boys names, she, all women and girls names, it, all animals and articles names. So next, it is be forms future. We use in future tense be forms will be. You know about be. Be. Be has 8 forms. In those 8 forms, be used along with will be. Will be or shall be. Will be. Here will be. In positive, we use will be plus profession, will be plus profession, adjective, so before, in place, will be plus profession, adjective, so before, in place. In positive sentences, we use will be. In negative sentences, won't be plus profession, adjective, so before and in place. Did you get clarity? Once again explain. Here I mentioned 4 types of words. Four types of words. Profession. Profession means what we do, what they do, what he does, what she does. Profession. Or else adjective means the nature of the person. Nature of the person. Is the person black? Is the person tall? Is the person stout? Is the person thin, lean, slight? V4 means add ing to the verb. In V4, B form is used as helping verb. I will be doing a professor job. I will be doing a doctor job in future. It's like in place means where we are on the time. I will be in Hyderabad tomorrow. Will you be in Rajahmundry tomorrow? Or where will you be next Sunday? Where will you be next Sunday? It's like we use. So in that way, any of These four conversations are four state of being: profession, adjectives. Adjectives means the nature of the person, and therefore in a place, but on that particular time where we are, that is in a place. Okay. Here interrogative. In all structures, you want interrogative questions. The conversation going on, always the questions. In questions again, yes or no answer questions and WH questions. Yes or no answer questions and WH questions. And answers two ways, either positive answer or negative answer. Will you be in Rajahmundry tomorrow? If positive, yes, I will be Rajahmundry tomorrow. If not, I won't be Rajahmundry tomorrow. I won't be Rajahmundry tomorrow. Where will you be tomorrow? I will be in Kakinada tomorrow. That's all one answer. Either positive or negative. So guys, here interrogative, how would you ask questions in future tense with be forms? Here, what will you be doing in future? What will you be doing in future? And where will you be in Sunday? Where will you be coming next Sunday? When will you be doing a job, profession? When will you be? Why will you be? Why will you be in Hyderabad tomorrow? You are in Hyderabad. Why will you be in Hyderabad tomorrow? In the same way, will you be, or will she be, or will they be? Will she be? Will they be? Will he be? The subjects may change. We use here you. What will you be? What will she be? What will they be? How will they be? Why will she be? These are all using in future tense. Here guys, will you be plus profession, adjective, V4 in place. The same. How to ask questions? Will you be? Here what will you be? We add what only. Will you be a teacher in future? Will you be a teacher in future? You bhavishyattulo teacher ga untava? Teacher avutava? Yes, I will be a teacher in future. Otherwise no, I won't be a teacher. I will be a doctor in future. I will be a doctor. Profession. Will you be a doctor in future? Yes, I will be a doctor. Will you be an engineer, software engineer in future? No, I won't be a software engineer in future. I will be a doctor. I will be a professor in future. It's like that, asking questions and responding answers. The remaining also. Will he be in America next year? Will he be, or will he be America in future? Will she be any other Switzerland in future? Yes, she will be Switzerland in future. Will your brother America in future, Australia in future? No, my brother won't be Australia in future. My brother will be America in future. Will you be? I will be in America in future. I won't be in Australia in future. It's like, will you be? Is asking questions. Responding, yes, I will be. If it is positive, if it is negative, no, I won't be. The same way we change the subjects. Will you be means will he? Will your sister be? Will your brother be? Will your dad be? Where will your dad be? By next week. My dad by next week will be in Mumbai or Kolkata. It's like how to ask questions. Whatever it may be, the time is most important. Save in your brain. Save in your e-notebook all these structures. If you know these structures, you can very easily conversate with your friends or public. Okay, did you clear? Now write questions. So guys, from this table write some conversations, ask some questions and respond answers. Sometimes both of you act in your brain. You speak with you. You speak with you. For example, you speak with you. What will you be in future? What will you be in future? I will be a doctor in future. What will you be in future? భవిష్యత్తులో ఏం అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నావు? I will be a doctor in future. Or else I will be a professor in future. I will be a lawyer in future. There are so many professions are there. I will be an actor. I will be a director. It's like, where will he be tomorrow? Where will he be tomorrow? Other day ఎక్కడ ఉంటాడు? He will be in Mumbai tomorrow. Where will be Chiranjeevi tomorrow? Chiranjeevi will be in Hyderabad tomorrow. Or Chiranjeevi will be in Archer's shooting in tomorrow. Or else any other place. Okay. He will be in Hyderabad tomorrow. Will you be a dancer in future? నీ ఫ్యూచర్లో భవిష్యత్తులో డాన్సింగ్గా ఉంటావా? నో, ఐ వోంట్ బి డాన్సర్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఐ విల్ బి ఏ మూవీ డైరెక్టర్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. లైక్, వేర్ విల్ యూ బి ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్? ఐ విల్ బి ఇన్ అమెరికా ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. నువ్వు భవిష్యత్తులో ఎక్కడ ఉంటావు? ఎక్కడ నివసిస్తుంటావు? ఎక్కడ స్థిరపడతావు? ఐ విల్ బి ఇన్ అమెరికా ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. America. Where will you be in America in future? I will be in America. It's a New York City in future. It's a great city. I like New York City. It's like that. Your conversation going on. Write some more conversation sentences and practice. Don't stop practicing with your friends, in your family members, or speak by with you also. Practice, practice, practice. Some more better you can. Wish you good luck.